Hey, have you seen the best-selling family fifth wheel? No? Come here. You're never gonna find me, Ryan. My hiding spot's too good. Hey, ow, dude! Oh, okay, all right. Well, I guess he did find me. I'd mentioned that I was going to show you the best-selling family fifth wheel, and this is it. Welcome to the Keystone Cougar Sport 2700 BH. 32 feet 3 inches. You're looking at 7,500 pounds. What's great about this one is Keystone is giving you a brand new fifth wheel with a few features missing from the regular Cougar line that you may be used to if you've researched Cougar, but it's going to be at a used price. And you're still going to be able to sleep up to 10. And here's how. I don't even have 9 people that would go camping with me. But you have triple bunks, or as I like to call it, double over double over double, AKA you got the Big Mac of bunks up in here. What's up? You even got special sauce. I tried. Hopefully somebody will get that joke. Please, at least, if you did, leave me a comment. Say, Chris, good try. You got the plush and comfortable mattresses up here on your double-sized bunks. 300-pound capacities on each. But what's really unique about the bottom bunk, and Ryan, I'm going to get out the way so you can see. I left the door open so you could see the light. You see how bright that is? That's because there's a load door on the outside for the bottom bunk. Yes, the kids can play with it. It's great for the dogs, but more importantly, if you're coming back from the big box stores, you got those big giant cases of water from Costco. You want to load it into the RV, but you don't want to go upstairs. You got yourself a load door, throw it in here. Great storage space if you need it. And they didn't skip on giving you some amenities either. Warden storage space. You even got USB-C and A plus 110 outlets on both bunks here. I don't think we have it on the bottom. No, but we do have light, and we do have storage there. The other thing I liked about what they did is a lot of times when you're in bunks, the door clasp is down here. So if somebody's on the top bunk, it's kind of hard to reach. Now it's up here. So I kind of like that for the pocket door. Then we walk into the kitchen area. Just take a look at the space. The slide over here that houses our U-dinette and our refrigerator really opens up this space, and I'll go ahead and show you this fridge. Look, it's a 10.7 cubic foot, 12-volt fridge by Furrion, and it's got the acrylic front, so it just looks sheeny, it looks nice, it looks upgraded. And when we come over here to the kitchen, you got pressed surface countertops as opposed to solid surface countertops. But once again, what's the big difference? Sure, fifth wheels will have solid surface countertops. You still get a sprayer faucet with an undermounted stainless steel sink. You still get residential hardware. I mean, all the space that you can think of. I even like how they did the cut through here. So if you got something over there, you don't have to worry about getting it. You got bullnose clips as opposed to magnets. But I got the flush mounted microwave. I got storage up top. I got the recessed 3-burner cooktop. I got the lights on my commands, on my controls. But you got a 16-inch oven. A lot of times fifth wheels will have the 21-inch. So the trade-off there is, okay, you can't cook the turkey. I dig it. But you still get solid wood construction on all of your drawers with the full ball bearing guides. And Keystone wanted to give you stronger drawers, so they reinforced each one of the drawers so you can get more weight in there. Good spot for your trash can underneath. Right there is my cutting board and my drying rack for my stainless steel sink. I mean, just not really skipping on anything. And since it can sleep up to 10, why not give you an oversized dinette too? You got the U-shaped dinette with the plush cushions, storage underneath, large panoramic windows. You don't have the roller shades. You got the pleated shades. So once again, a trade-off, but you still get privacy. You still get light dampening. You don't have the wood inlay, but you still get the mushroom lights. So you see where I'm going? You asked for, man, we love the Keystone Cougar line. We love those fifth wheels, but we want to pay a used price for it. What can you do? Keystone heard you say that. So they said, let us work on it. And they came out with the Cougar Sports for late 23. Now I'm into 24. And They just keep getting better. Now you have the Solar Flex Protect on this one, a 220 watt solar panel on top. You still get carpet-free slides. You still get hyper decking, that polypropylene laminated floor, so you don't get the moisture under there. Does a really good job of keeping the temperature where you need to do it. And yes, you still get the insulation in the slides too. So you're not really losing out on those Keystone calling cards like the Blade 360 air system. And I love this because it just cyclones the air. You got a high output furnace, high output AC, and this just cyclones the air, gets you about 30% more effectiveness. More countertop space over here on the campsite, storage underneath, and how about a large TV on the swivel arm with the Furion AM/FM command center, CD, DVD, Bluetooth, dual zone, got component shelf right there if you need it. And to sleep 2 more people, we're both gonna get in the mirror on this one, Ryan. There's no escaping it. Wave to the people, Ryan. Hello. He's a great man. Today's his birthday. You got a pull-out height of bed. It's not. You got a pull-out height of bed sofa with inverted outlet, USB-C and USB-A charging, plus mirror right here. It's just a nice aesthetic. Plus, it kind of gives the room a little bit of a bigger feeling, and more storage up top. Still get large slides. I still get finished off paneling on both my connector strips here in the ceiling as well as the corners of the slide itself. And I even get crown molding up there. I mean, it's just you're not really giving up a lot. You don't get the Generation 3 in command system, but you still get a Keystone command panel where you can run out your slide, run out your awning, check your tanks, 54, 60, and 30, by the way, 54 gallon fresh, 60 on the grays, and then 30 on your black. You got your Furion HVAC controls right there. Steps leading you into the bathroom. Not really losing here. Porcelain bowl, foot flush. Got the towel rack. I got the little shower curtain door suspender thingy that I like because the glass comes out to about here, so you lose about half the entry space. Having this just kind of gives me the feeling of having more room. Large skylight with the inlay. Brush nickel on my hardware. Undermounted sink on my vanity. Corner brush nickel faucet. Storage. Oversized medicine cabinet. GFCI outlet, and tankless water heater. Okay. I mean, some manufacturers can do it. Some can't. Keystone did it. Now, with this one, you're pre-wired for a second AC. So you don't get 2 ACs, you're pre-wired for a second one. Great option. And what's awesome about Camping World is talk to your specialist, because with new RVs, if we fasten it to the RV, it could increase the loan to value of that RV, which means you could possibly roll that into the financing. So opposed to paying out of pocket, you can include it in the payment. Could be a very nice feature for things like ACs, generators, slide toppers, that type of thing. But a queen size bed nestled up front here, frosted glass inlay there. I got ward space on both sides, nightstand space as well as cubby, storage under my bed, USB-C and A on both sides as well as inverted outlet. And I got my TV backer here with my Key TV multi-source connection and my 110 outlet there, which is inverted. Key TV, by the way, just a smart connector. It's something Keystone did so that when you get to the campsite, you plug it in. If it's cable or satellite, this will know, and you're not chasing cables to get your entertainment. Very nice little feature. And there's your big ward. I call this a chest of drawers. It's just drawers, but it kind of looks like an armoire, kind of nestled in here. I really just wanted to say armoire. So there we go. The 2700 BH, 32 feet, 3 inches, 7,500 pounds, 7,580 if you want to split hairs. This is your family's RV. I mean, I think the only thing is, like, you got enough people to go camping with you? Because I don't. Oh, well. All right, before I think about that, let's go outside. Come on. And here we are on the outside of the all-new Keystone Cougar Sport 2700 BH, 32 feet 3 inches, 7,500 pounds, will sleep up to 10. And I got to tell you, even though it's Cougar Sport, and I mentioned at the very beginning, you wanted a fifth wheel that it was brand spanking new, but a used price, These were the top selling fifth wheels for a reason. It's Cougar, and they gave you that setup exactly. Right here, you're gonna see the molded end cap. You still get all that great Keystone construction with the aluminum super frame structure, that great insulation, plus all the barriers. Underneath is where I like to call it the gen box, but it's your spare tire in there, your battery. You're also gonna notice something really cool. You are set up for tire pressure monitoring down here, and you also have your Solar Flex Protect disconnect here, your charge controller, all located right there, and your Gigi box. So if you wanted to trickle charge your batteries, you can leave this on, but cut this off, you're good to go. But 76,000 accidents happen a year. Number one cause of accidents is tire blowouts. You're prepped for tire pressure monitoring. Please, 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 for me, do me a favor, get it on your Keystone Cougar Sport. Fifth wheel hitch is absolutely awesome because it's road armor. You got the rubber absorption in that pivoting head. Does a great job of just taking that shock, that chucking and bucking that usually comes with fifth wheel towing, and just stops it. But I mean, you're 7,500 pounds, 32 feet 3 inches. So for some state parks, I'm still in a sweet spot. Still get 30-pound LP tanks. Still get a heated and enclosed underbelly. Now, instead of automatic level, you get power stabilization jacks. But if you've never had automatic leveling, you won't really miss it. For your storage, magnetic anti-slam doors, and look at the finished off pass-through storage that we have right here. You even got LED light, and if you'll notice, Ryan, check this out. It's not the strip, it's the tube light. Kind of reminds me of like those 80s dance clubs that I used to go to back when I had hair. It's freaking awesome. But you have power and cable connection, plus an inverted outlet there. So if you want to set up a TV outside, you absolutely can. Bam, love the way that it's anti-slam. Oversized 20-foot awning there with LED light strip. Got more power there, solid step over steps. The tempered glass door for me, not only serves a purpose, it helps keep it cooler. You do get some privacy. Since it's sport, it just looks cool. It's a great move. I love the red brake drums too on those Dexter Easy Lube axles on the aluminum rims that we got there. Keystone knows what they're doing. Awesome double axle RV, frameless windows, and you do have the exterior speakers, which are marine grade. So you're gonna do a good job of getting sound, but more importantly, it's also gonna help protect from the elements. But this right here, one of my favorite options on the 2700. Yes, bottom bunk is down here so the kids could have fun. They could have this open, you know, at night or whatever. But more importantly, when you come back from Costco with a case of water, you don't want to walk up the stairs, swoosh. You got the bags, swoosh. You got the fishing rods, swoosh. If you don't need to use this as the bottom bunk, you got great storage space, even better load-in space. And magnetic anti-slam. Backup camera prep, frameless window, ladder prep. Got the arch, got the rain nozzles, got the towing hitch, the sports, and on the off-camp side is where you're gonna find your terminations, AKA your dumps. 54-gallon fresh, got a 60-gallon gray, 30-gallon black. I mean, man, for 32 feet 3 inches, 7,500 pounds, can sleep up to 10 with that layout. And at this price point, it's no wonder they're continuing being one of the best-selling fifth wheels on the planet. And the fact that this was the best-selling family fifth wheel. If I had 9 people that liked me, I'd get it. Hopefully you do. And if you can, leave me some comments down below and let me know what'd you like about it, what'd you not like about it. Where would you take your 2700 BH by the Cougar Sport? We love hearing from you. And if you got any suggestions, things you'd like to change, leave them down below. Keystone does a great job of implementing them. And please click like, subscribe, and notify so the next time we do one of these, you're the first one to get it. I'm Chris Young for Camping World. Hope you enjoyed the Cougar Sport 2700 BH. Gosh, sure as heck did. I'll see y'all later. Bye.